So, how is Urdu different from other languages? Let's find out. The grammar of Urdu is based on Khadi Boli dialect, which makes it similar to Hindi, but its script and vocabulary are influenced by Persian and Arabic. Remember, Persian was the official language during the Muslim rule. Because of the language contact, Urdu borrowed a large number of words from Persian and Arabic. Along with words also came 5 sounds that are written with the Urdu letters Fe, Zay, Khe, Ghain, and Qaf. These sounds are pronounced in Urdu like Arabic and Persian, which give Urdu a unique flavor. In this video, I'll discuss the sound Fa. Listen to it in the word Faryad. The Fa sound is different from Pa. So in Urdu, fun is art, but pun means hood of a snake. Also, this is pool, not fool. So don't be fooled by the sound. Watch part 2 for more fun stuff about the sound Fa.